In one day, US debt top 3,000 more than D-Day or 9/11. Morocco normalizes relation with Israel. European Union leaders have agreed to set a target of cutting greenhouse gas emission up to 55% by 2030. Workers' remittances continue to grow in last month, says PM Pakistan Imran Khan. Washington Post slams smoother regime for disruptive measures. China says India is totally responsible for the current standoff between the troops of two countries on the line of actual control. British airline Virgin Atlantic starts operation in Pakistan. Afghan MPs attack plan to move classes to mosques.